Tired of those Temu spin tutorials that waste your time? I'm cutting straight to the chase. First, daily check-ins are your best friend. Tap the U tab at the bottom, then look for daily check-in at the top of your screen. Make it a habit to log in every day. Some days offer spin opportunities. Next, explore the Earn Credits and Free Gifts section. This is your goldmine. Check out options like Refer and Earn. Inviting new users is by far the easiest ways to snag those elusive spins. Look for ways to invite users to the Temu app. Share your referral link, blast it to your friends, family, even your social media. The more people who sign up through your link, the more spins you'll rack up. Don't sleep on the games. Temu frequently offers games like Fishland or Farmland. Check their rewards. These often include free spins, or points that you can exchange for free spins. It takes some time, but it's free stuff. Pay attention to notifications. Temu loves to drop surprise promotions and flash sales that include spin bonuses. Keep those notifications turned on so you don't miss out. That's it. No shady hacks, no BS. Just proven ways to maximize your Temu spins. Now go get those prizes.